So we've got three major types of triangles. Scalene, all angles are different and all sides are different as well. Okay. Scalene is just all angles will have a different measure and all side lengths will also have a different measure. Isosceles has two congruent sides and two congruent angles, and that makes it special, right? How so? And this is basically what I want you to remember. If you have one known angle, you can find the rest. That's the thing about isosceles triangles. So for example, if you've got a scenario like this, so let's say I give you a diagram, okay? And somewhere in there you notice these two markings. That is very important for you to recognize, because if these two markings are the same, and you recognize that one of the sides has a 72 across from it, guess what the other angle is going to be? You guessed it, 72 as well. Okay. And how many angles do you need to know to find the missing angle? Just two angles, right? So angle Y is going to be 180 minus 2 times 72 degrees minus 144. And so angle Y is 36 degrees. And that will unlock some, right? Like that will allow you to figure out other angles in that diagram. So angle Y up here is 36. Do you need to show me this like that? Probably not. You'll be fine without doing that particular one. Can you cut this here? So this is a scenario where the angle that you're given can be copied onto the next angle because both of the congruent sides are across from them. The other scenario is where you have an isosceles triangle. We know that these two angles are going to be the same. We know that these two angles are going to be the same. So angle E, right, we're going to try to find one of these. What we're going to do is we're going to take 180 degrees minus 50, and we're going to divide that in half. Okay? So that's 130 divided by 2. So angle E is 65 degrees. Angle F is also 65 degrees, right? You found both by finding one, essentially. So this will come in handy. Okay, and then you've got the equilateral triangle. All angles are congruent. All sides are congruent. Just like this. If you see this, and the angles are A, B, and C, what is the measure of each angle in one of those triangles? Anybody? They all add up to 180, correct? If you split it equally in 3, 180 divided by 3, 60. Right? So angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. They're always going to be 60 degrees all around. Okay? So that's a no-brainer. If you see a triangle that has all three sides the same in my diagram, you go ahead and put 60 in every corner, right? You've unlocked the first step to finding any additional angles. Okay? Okay, let me see here. I'm gonna pause here for a bit and now send you off to do some work. We're gonna go to 17, the bottom one here. So I want you to work on page 17 to 20 for now. We'll see how that goes. Now just make sure you stay on task, and then we'll continue on, okay? While you do that, I will look for the answer key and I'll post that so you can check whether or not you're on the right track. I'm for sure wanting you to work from 70 to 20 and pages 27 to 28. More mystery angle stuff, okay?